Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and become part of the family. Thank you for the previous video that I did. It did very well. I think now we are sitting on 980 something views, close to 1k views. So thank you very much guys. Please guys, subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, it will notify you. Today I want to give you top 5 spirit of sangomas, how they come to you. Last people were busy complaining about, yeah, celebrities are becoming sangomas, hey, they're becoming this, they're becoming that. To me, I think it's a good thing, if celebrities does become, I mean, a lot of them does become sangomas and stuff, because now it's helping some kid sitting at Limpopo there by Malamlele also, to see her role model or his role model becoming this kind of people, and they still do what they do. So now that boy or that girl, when they are done about their high school thinking, they're not going to be afraid to go to the varsity, wearing beads and everything. So it's a good thing. So yeah, if celebrities, you do have some callings, go for your thinking, don't be shy, let people know. And if you do have the right to document your journey, do that and make money out of it anyway. Top 5 spirit of sangomas, how they come to you. Number 1, you can lose your sight. You can become blind, but temporarily blind, of course, because this thing need to be revealed inside of you. I still remember my little brother, the last born. He was attacked by these things. They just wake up in the morning, with, I think it was Saturday. Yeah, because he was not going to school. And then now he started screaming, saying he can't see anything. Just imagine. Just say, I can't see anything. Then my mom took him to see somebody who have some gift, and then they says now he's being attacked by this and that. So they follow the steps and everything. So these things, guys, it is real. And if you deny it, sometimes you can lose your life just for denying. Just take it as if it's your superpowers. Just take it easy, so you can lose sight. And then number 2, they can attack you mentally. Like you're acting like you're crazy. Acting like you are crazy, like people see you in a different way. So this is how and if you really don't do some follow-ups, or people saying that no, I just need to go to the mental hospital, these things can never stop, guys. Remember, these things is spiritual. It's not something that the doctor can cure. It's something that wants to come out of you. Then number 3, what else? They can come into your dreams. Like you can just dream of some, it's either it can be some guy or your grandfather that you don't even know coming to you, giving you this package, or giving you the bones, or giving you anything, if you're going to be the healer. Because not all sangomas are healers, by the way. Some are sangomas just to pass the message. They just the bridge. You know what I'm saying? Like your medium who read, like people who talk to the dead and stuff. They're just the bridge there, for you and the ancestors. So even on sangomas, some sangomas don't heal. They're just there, to put some snake on the ground and talk to the ancestors. So we as a family, we can talk to our ancestors through them, without them healing anyone. Then and then sometimes your leg can be swallowed, you know, change color, you know, a lot of things can happen to you, man. A lot of things can happen to you when the calling comes. What you have to do is to follow the procedure, you know, find out. Because I still remember my aunt when she was attacked by this thing. Okay, she was going to this Zion church, right, where they beat the drums, you know, and stuff. So when they're busy beating the drums, because even when people are busy tossing and everything, they do beat that thing. It activated the spirit, you know. So everything came out. Then, you know, they followed the procedure, and that's how these things came out. But still, they pleaded with the ancestors that no, we understand we're gonna do this process, but because now she don't wanna, you know, follow these things, can we accept you as our ancestors and let her do what she wants? And then they had that deal. Then everything is cool, you know. What else? What else? What else? What else? And then you can just become sick. The doctor can't even see anything. You can go to each and every specialist, check on you. They can't see anything. Remember, these things, guys, it's spiritual. It's not something that doctor can just figure out and say, okay, you have this disease, now you have to take this tablet. You know, this, guys, is spiritual, especially black people, you know, especially black people. Even though we can try by all means to deny these things. So shout out to all the celebrities. Shout out to everyone who accept this gift. It is for you. Just, you know, take it to the chin. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell every time when I drop a video. You'll be notified. And remember, I said when we hit 300 subscribers, I'm gonna say shout out to everyone who's busy commenting on the comment section. Please, guys, let's grow this channel. Just remember, if you guys were busy subscribing, it means that 980 something views, it will be in subscription. It means I mean, like, the channel should be doing very good. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon.